Hi, hello, and welcome everyone to my channel of Profound Insights, a journey of learning, inspiration, and discovery where you can learn, grow, and share. Before we proceed further, please click on the subscribe button as well as the bell icon to get a notification of insight content and leave your thoughts in the comments below. This will encourage me to come up with more such videos. Without further delay, let's jump right in. Triumph of Unity, a Republic Day celebration. A historic prelude. In the heart of India, where history echoes through the majestic architecture of Delhi, a tale of resilience and freedom unfolds every year on January 26th. This is the story of Republic Day, a celebration that marks the triumph of unity, democracy, and the unbeatable spirit of the Indian people. The Genesis struggle for independence. Our story begins in the early 20th century, a time when India grappled with the shackles of colonial rule. The struggle for independence gained momentum under the leadership of Mahatma Gandhi and other freedom fighters who envisioned a sovereign nation free from foreign colonies. Crafting the Constitution, a labor of love. As India gained independence in 1947, the task of shaping the nation's destiny fell upon the shoulders of its visionary leaders. Dr. B.R. Ambedkar, often hailed as the chief architect of the Indian Constitution, led the drafting committee. The Constituent Assembly tirelessly deliberated, debated, and articulated the principles that would govern the world's largest democracy. January 26, 1950, the birth of the Republic. On a crisp winter morning in 1950, a sea of people gathered at the historic Kartavya Path in New Delhi to witness the birth of the Indian Republic. The Constitution came into effect, declaring India a sovereign, socialist, secular, and democratic republic. The momentous occasion was graced by the unfolding of the tricolour and the symbolic adoption of a new governance framework. The Grand Parade, a tapestry of diversity. Every year since then, Republic Day celebrations have become a testament to India's rich cultural tapestry and its commitment to unity in diversity. The Grand Parade down Kartavya Path showcases the military ability, vibrant folk dances, and the technological strides of the nation. The tableaus from different states illustrates the diverse heritage that unites the country. The Beating Retreat, a melodic farewell. As the sun sets on the Republic Day, the Beating Retreat ceremony unfolds at Vijay Chowk, resonating with the soul-stirring tunes of the Indian Armed Forces. The ceremonial closure symbolizes the end of the festivities, leaving a permanent mark on the hearts of those who witness the celebration. Celebration of democracy. Today, Republic Day stands as a symbol of India's commitment to democracy, justice, liberty, and equality. It is a celebration of the resilience of a nation that overcame adversity to emerge as a global force. As the tricolour unfolds each year, it carries with it the aspirations and dreams of a billion hearts, echoing the words of a preamble that unite the diverse citizens of the Indian Republic. Message from this celebration. The story of Republic Day is a message of triumph, resilience, and unity. It speaks to the strong spirits of a nation that emerged from the shadows of colonial rule to craft its destiny. Through the difficult process of drafting the Constitution, India declared itself a sovereign, socialist, secular, and democratic republic on January 26, 1950. The grand celebration that follows each year are a testament to the nation's commitment to unity in diversity. The parade down Kartavya Path showcases not only military ability but also the vibrant cultural heritage that binds the diverse states together. The Beating Retreat ceremony, with its melodic farewell, marks the culmination of the festivities. Republic Day is not just a commemoration, it's a celebration of democracy, justice, liberty, and equality. As the tricolour unfolds annually, it carries with it the aspirations of a billion hearts, symbolizing the collective dreams of a nation that has overcome adversity to emerge as a global force. The story of Republic Day is an enduring message of pride and unity that resonates in the hearts of every Indian. Jai Hind. I think you enjoyed this story. As we wrap up this incredible journey together, remember that the adventure doesn't end here. Keep listening to other such stories at Profound Insights under the Tiny Tales Unfold playlist. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more insightful content, and share your thoughts in the comments below. This will encourage me to come up with more such stories. Your support means the world to me, and together we will continue to explore the depths of knowledge. Until next time, Stay curious and keep seeking the profound. Thank you.